ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Talang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Chief Electoral Officer Kjat BDR Tiwari ulapentip bagidan komando hoteli ki jaga thep vote ha ka bagi Nongtrei Tnad election ki dan kam banya yakirian ki hap jam sesilyang wa dakilieng ha pentip yakani CEO ulapentip banamar ka jinglong jingman ka saudong saukun hapo ka jila Meghalaya ki dan bon ki shnong hapo ka jila ki badan syakiriat lani sesilyang wa CEO la ainuksa ya kashnong nongriat hapo is khasi hers ka bapawnam namar ka jingdan ki jingking jiri berulayat ho baki Nongtrei Tnad election ki dan kam banno yakirian ban poisha kani kashnong ban aila de ki pai ba ban thap vote.
Basically there are the challenges of geography in the Meghalaya, and in view of this rainy season and weather forecast for the heavy rain during the polling time, so we have made all the efforts and arrangement, but there are the valleys and inaccessible areas, so in those villages still polling parties have to go by foot, and in one or two places like Kamsing or Kalatek, these two polling stations sometimes they go by boat also. So and some villages like Nongtrei where very famous double decker and other living root bridges are there, but they have to go down by walking, trekking, and they reach up to those villages. So around 50 polling stations of such type are there. So all these stations are T-2 polling stations, and polling parties will start by tomorrow for their respective polling stations. It is covering all across the state.
Like in Tura conference stations?
Exact number I don't recall, but there are fair number of the polling stations, especially in the South Garo Hill and some areas of East Garo Hill also. So there also polling parties are going by. So far our election commission's provisions are concerned, there are the people have to cast their vote on the respective polling station. Only few categories like senior citizen who are more than 85 years plus are PWDs, so their name has been marked in the voter list, so they have been provided facility for home voting. And essential services and other people who are involved and doing on the duty during the poll day or poll time, so they are also been given the facility of the postal ballots or election duty certificate. They can cast their vote in that way. So apart from these categories, no other provision till date has been provided. So people are expected to come and cast their vote on their respective